Good evening. Thank you guys for coming tonight. Just wanted to say global warming is no longer viewed as scientists as a theory. It has sadly become a fact. And the change needed must be in your actions tonight in order to ensure a brighter future and one that's not too hot. Taking just a few moments to put your newspapers, soda cans, and glass jars into a recycling bin will save years of environmental harm from production of new materials, overcrowded landfills, and the depletion of our natural resources. There are many reasons you should recycle, and many things you can recycle. By the time we're done, you're going to know why, what, and how better to recycle. Recycling 1 ton of aluminum cans conserves the equivalent of about 1,665 gallons of gasoline. When you consider that Americans go through 178 million soda cans each day, that's roughly 4.6 million gallons of gas each day we could save just by recycling. Or you could take a look at just one soda can recycled gives enough energy to power a television for up to 3 hours. Americans also consume 2.5 million plastic bottles every hour. Most of these bottles end up just thrown away, but some of them, 2 million tons actually, each year are recycled, and this alone saves enough energy in both oil and natural gas to heat 2.1 million homes. Glass takes over 1 million years to decompose if left just in a landfill. However, it is one thing that is 100% recyclable. It could be used to make beautiful jewelry, jars, bottles, dishes, drinking glasses, coffee mugs, just about anything. Americans create over 4.5 pounds of trash each per day, 60% of which ends up in landfills. To reduce this, things that we need to be recycling are any paper products such as cardboard, magazines, writing or copy paper, and newspapers, metals such as aluminum, lead, copper, steel, or any old appliances, chemicals such as acid or batteries, oils, and paint. Other things that should be recycled are plastics we've talked about, glass, tires, wood, or electronic equipment. Some of these things may require special handling or special recycling places, so just check with your local government and local recycling offices for their assistance. They're always more than happy to help. There are many ways to make recycling easy. Here are some things you should do to get started. Find out what your city's recycling program is. Many cities recycle certain types of trash as part of their regular sanitation service. Give them a call and find out what kinds of items they recycle and any instructions you'll need to follow when recycling. Your city may also have certain colored bins or trash bags that you need to use. Find out where your local city's recycling center is, and if it doesn't have one, there will be a center that is just business owned rather than government owned, and they'll be more than happy to accept any of your recycling products. Label your bins accordingly: paper, plastic, garbage, and so on. When you recycle, you want to make sure that you rinse everything out, remove all the caps and the labels, anything else that may be on there, before you put it in the bins, and after that you place them in the proper bins, and that's how easy it is. Now you know what to recycle and how to do it. Just don't forget why you need to recycle. Recycling reduces air and water pollution, conserves our natural resources, saves energy, decreases emissions, and helps sustain our environment. Thank you.